trucks are subjected to a lot of crud, a lot of mud, water, and dust in the world. And so when we build a camper from the lower frames to the upper, we make sure that thing's sealed so that that stuff doesn't get in. Team of 3 of us will come in, and 8 o'clock's go time. We'll all kind of just lock in, put our headphones on, and start building. And we'll have a bunch of carts laid out, so we'll have all of our extrusion beams, I'd say 20 to 30 beams. And then in the small assembly cart with all those nuts and bolts, I think we're upwards of like 1,000, maybe 1,500-ish different small individual parts. And everyone has a specific purpose. And ultimately, when we build that camper, we're trying to make it as structurally supportive as we can so that it's all sealed up and it's ready to go. Even the smallest imperfection can let crud or water or dust in. So we developed a system using light to make sure that our sealing of our campers are good to go so that none of that crud or that water or dust gets in. When we're building our campers, we do it in 2 portions, a lower, which we call our space frame, and the upper, the RTT. When we carry the RTT up on top of our space frame and those 2 surfaces meet, that's where we have to seal the inside of the perimeter and all of these copes anywhere these 2 surfaces meet right here. And we shine light in gaps between any 2 mating surfaces, and then we fill that gap with Terrason. That way we know if no light can pass through, that no dust or any crud is gonna come in. Everything's all sealed up and it's all tight and structural, and it's good to go and ready to keep everything dirt, dust, water out.